Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to a new video. I'm Maria, your Spanish teacher, and today I'm happy to teach you some basic phrases that will be very helpful to get by if you're traveling in a Spanish-speaking country and you speak no Spanish, or if you speak no Spanish and would like to start doing so. So a little anecdote first. I was in Medellin, I lived there for a while, and this guy, evidently not Colombian, was a little lost and he approached me and he was trying to ask where to find a place. This happened in the street. I noticed he couldn't speak any Spanish, but I didn't say I spoke English right away. Don't think I'm mean, I just wanted to see how the guy was going to handle the situation. So he was trying to show me the place on his phone and saying like, where? And I was like, don't worry, you can talk to me normally. And his face of relief was amazing. Then he started like talking non-stop, saying things like, thank God, I have been here for 3 days and I'm loving it, but nobody speaks English. Dude, you're in a Spanish-speaking country. What the hell did you expect? So anyway, the guy was so happy to finally be able to talk to someone, and I told him like, I'm a Spanish teacher, I can help you learn some Spanish. And he was like, well, I have never really been interested in learning Spanish. It sounds complicated. So I proposed to do one class in which I would teach him everything he needed to get by in the time he was on vacation here. He agreed, and I taught him these small things I'm going to cover right now. Later that week, he texted me saying, thank you so much, Maria. Everything is way easier for me now, yada yada. So he even got motivated to learn Spanish. So let's get to it. Greetings. The most common greeting is hola. It means hello, and you can use it at any time of the day. Buenos días, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches means both good evening and good night. Introducing yourself. To introduce yourself to someone, you can either say, hola, soy Maria. Of course, use your own name. You can also say, hola, me llamo Maria. Literally means I call myself, but it's trying to say my name is. So if you want to ask someone their name, you say, ¿Cómo te llamas? Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Maria, mucho gusto. My name is Maria, nice to meet you. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. You can respond to mucho gusto saying igualmente, which means the same, or you can simply say mucho gusto too. When we introduce ourselves in this side of the world, we give a handshake to the other person. However, in a more informal context, they might kiss you in the cheek. This is how we greet our friends. So for example, if your friend is introducing you to their friend and there's a good stink, they might kiss you in the cheek. Not with the lips, but with the cheek. So it would be something like this. Small talk. ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo está? Means how are you in both informal and formal way. Bien y tú or bien y usted. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? To respond to this question, you say soy de Colombia. So soy de and insert your country. Now let's say you live in a different country. You would say soy de Colombia, pero vivo en los Estados Unidos. So soy de, insert your country, y vivo en, or pero vivo en, insert your country where you live in. ¿Qué hora es o qué horas son? That means what time is it? Don't trip about why one is in singular and the other one is in plural. It will get you the same results. They mean the same. The magic words. Gracias. Thank you. Or if you feel that just thank you isn't enough to express your gratitude, you can say muchas gracias. That means thank you very much. Por favor, please. Disculpe or disculpa, excuse me. So we typically use the formal way to talk to people older than us and the informal to talk to people who look the same age even if we don't know them. Permiso, it also means excuse me, but you will use this one in case you need someone to get out of your way. Or you can say con permiso and it sounds more polite. It literally means with permission. It translates to with permission. Perdón, it means forgiveness. It translates to forgiveness. So it would be something like forgive me, but forgive me is perdóname. So you can use this one if you accidentally bump into someone in the street. You can say perdón, or you can say lo siento, which means I'm sorry. I don't speak. No hablo español. I don't speak Spanish. Hablar means to speak. And you can replace español in that phrase for any other language. No hablo italiano, I don't speak Italian. Or no hablo portugués, I don't speak Portuguese. Please note, the H in Spanish is mute. So you say yo hablo, not hablo. ¿Hablas inglés? Or habla inglés? Do you speak English? Again, you can replace inglés in this phrase with any language. For example, ¿habla o hablas francés? ¿Habla o hablas sueco? Estoy aprendiendo español. I'm learning Spanish. Same thing here. Other examples can be estoy aprendiendo alemán or estoy aprendiendo japonés. No entiendo. I don't understand. Or no te entiendo. I don't understand you. ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Can you repeat, please? This one is really useful for Spanish beginners. Más despacio, por favor. Slower, please. You can say this if your Spanish is still very basic and you need someone to speak slower to understand what they're saying. If you come to my city, you're going to need this one a lot. Un poco, a little. I think this one is useful for various situations, but let's say someone asks you, ¿hablas español? You can say un poco if you speak a little. Ordering something. Un café, por favor. Coffee, please. Un té, por favor. A tea, please. Un vaso de agua, por favor. A glass of water, please. Or, una botella de agua, por favor. A bottle of water, please. Una cerveza, por favor. One beer, please. I will cover more of this in a lesson later on, but these are the basic according to my foreigner students and friends. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is it? You can use this question to ask the price of anything. Asking directions. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? And you can ask for anything replacing baño for anything what you're looking for. So, ¿dónde está el supermercado? Where's the supermarket? ¿Dónde está la plaza? Where's the square? ¿Dónde está la estación del metro? Where is the metro station? You can also say, ¿dónde puedo encontrar una farmacia? Where can I find a pharmacy? I mean, you can replace pharmacy in that phrase for anything. Please don't trip about the articles el, la, un, una yet. In Spanish, words can be masculine or feminine, and that will determine the article. And I will cover that later on. Other useful phrases. ¿Qué pasa? What's going on? What if you come to Colombia and you see a bunch of people surrounding something or someone in the street and you have no idea what's going on? You can ask, ¿Qué pasa? And somebody will fill you in. Now the challenge would be to understand what they're saying. Gracias, no quiero comprar nada. Thank you, I don't want to buy anything. So I don't know how it is in other Spanish-speaking countries, but in here, you are going to be almost harassed by sellers in the street. Don't get me wrong, I love my country and its people, and we have a lot of social issues, so I know that everyone is trying to get out there and make a living. But you know, this could be annoying sometimes, so you can use this phrase to let them know you're not interested in their products or services in a polite way. No me siento bien, por favor, ayúdame. I don't feel good, please help. You can use this one in case of an emergency. You know, in a trip not everything is rainbows and unicorns. Soy alérgico o alérgica a. I'm allergic to. And you can fill this space with whatever you're allergic to. For example, in a restaurant or at the hospital, you never know. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like this video, do not forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos that are going to be amazing. It's a pleasure to learn Spanish with you. Hasta la próxima.